Dragonfire Tools, quality affordable storage. Proud sponsor of our DragonfireTools.com studio.
Wow, that is the first thing people say when they see our Dragonfire Tools workbench in our Dragonfire Tools studio when they come to do Motorhead Garage. And Lou, how much did you think of aesthetics when you designed your workbenches?
So when these are going into car dealerships and places like that, having a uniform and consistent look is important. So, you know, a lot of the places that these are going into, there are maybe existing examples of multicolored toolboxes in there and toolboxes with stickers all over them and stuff like that. So when you put these workbenches into those professional places, it makes it look professional.
It almost gives it a lab kind of look, which I think is super clean. Now, what about function? I mean, obviously these things look great, but how does this make the job much more efficient for a professional shop?
As you know, in a professional shop, time is money, Dave. So having your tools right at the same spot that you're working on something and being able to just reach down, open up a drawer, grab the tool that you need, and not having to walk back and forth to a toolbox, because now your workbench is your toolbox. So that saves time, money, and space in your shop, Dave.
I know a lot of guys share a shop, so maybe in that situation, they're going to be worried about sharing a workbench with somebody else. How have you solved that problem?
In this unit here, you'll see that there's 5 individual drawer banks. Each one of those individual drawer banks lock. So you can lock a bank of drawers individually, keep your most secure tools locked up in that bay, and then still have access to your other tools.
And you know how I know your tools are going to be secure as well? You don't have to worry about these drawers failing because they can hold, well, they can hold more than me. And I'm over 200 pounds. How much can these hold?
So those drawers are double railed and they're rated for 400 pounds, Dave.
Well, you can find a durable workbench that's going to last you a lifetime. Find them at DragonfireTools.com. Just enter the code Motorhead when you check out. You'll get a discount and you'll get free shipping. If you want to know how well NHOU protective coatings protects your vehicle, you can look on the website for scientific proof, or if you have a friend that's had it done, go talk to them. I bet they're happy about it.
My buddy Wayne in New York City has an old Land Cruiser, and it started to rust out. It started to rust out pretty badly. And he told me that he was going to be taking it to New Hampshire, near me, where I live, to have the rust converted into not rust, and then have something done to the vehicle so it would never rust again. And I was pretty skeptical. I didn't think that could happen. I thought once something is rust, it's rust and it's shot. But he came up here, he drove, you know, the 6 hours up here, stayed with me. I saw his vehicle before it, and it was certainly rusted out. And then 2 days later, he brought it back, and miraculously, the rust really was gone. I know now that it was a product called Restoration, or it's a system called Restoration that actually converts the rust into, I think, zinc oxide, but it wasn't rust anymore. And then after that, they coated it with the clear undercoating so it would never rust again. And I thought, well, this is pretty amazing. So the next time I get a vehicle that I really care about, I'm gonna get that done.
If you want to learn more, go ask a friend or hop on to NHOUundercoating.com. Stay right there because Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, returns right after this.